In the dance of life, all things ascend. Waves greet the shore, then swiftly wend. Raindrops kiss the earth, then fade. Then this voice, and silence laid. Medusas drift in liquid grace, fish in patterns soon displace. Birds on wings of freedom soar, rainbows shine, then are no more. Plankton glow in ocean's night. Trees in quietude hold tight. Volcanoes speak, then turn to stone. Flowers bloom, and then are gone. Nature's pulse, both soft and grand. All things shift at her command. In the fleeting lies the key to life's deepest mystery.